Bitcoin has been breaking even more towards the downside. Yesterday, it was looking like we are gonna break this double top structure towards the downside. But just like I shared yesterday on my Twitter profile, big players like, for example, Michael Saylor are probably once again buying this dip. And well, a few hours later, we got this insane bullish news that yes, indeed, whales are right now buying the dip. While the most of you guys are probably panicking during this Bitcoin dump, well, whales are right now accumulating. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in that short term yesterday, it was actually looking like we are gonna break this support towards the downside, but we still beautifully got hold. So that is looking very good. Now we can actually start to have a look into what's some kind of a new pattern being created, because Bitcoin is right now still trading inside of this descending channel. And of course, from this descending channel, we are having this level of resistance over here, but also at the same time, we are having this huge level of support for Bitcoin. So we can start to have a look into this huge decision being created. Bitcoin is having this huge level of support and this level of resistance. We are getting squeezed in currently, and a huge breakout is going to be inevitable within the coming few days. Now, do keep in mind that we are going to be headed for another weekend. So yeah, volatility may be lowered. Now, today on the Friday, we can still expect a huge move. But just for this coming weekend, well, I am not going to be expecting any kind of a significant breakout. But yeah, at the same time, on that larger time frame still, Bitcoin is getting major support. We are also having these EMA ribbons right now giving us support. Of course, we've been flipping these EMA ribbons in towards the red. We've been getting back above it. Right now it's back in the green, and we are testing it currently as support. We are still holding it, and at the same time, we are still holding this major level of support. So I do think that we are going to be getting health, and we are going to be seeing ultimately this bounce back towards the upside. That is also still going to be the reason why I still have my Bitcoin trade open. We've been perfectly opening up this Bitcoin trade exactly at the bottom. I still have my Bitcoin trade open. I still do think that we are going to be seeing a bounce even higher, that we are once again going to be testing this level of resistance, and then ultimately we are going to be creating a huge breakout with a squeeze inside of these two levels, right? Because these EMA ribbons are going to be getting us even higher, and this level of resistance is getting us even lower. So we are going to be seeing a major squeeze right here, and I'm going to be aiming for that. And ultimately, I do think that we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what exactly happened yesterday, well, Bitcoin was not the only asset that saw this huge dump towards the downside, because the stock market also has seen this significant dump back towards the downside. We are testing once again this major level of support. It was actually looking like we were going to see this major bounce from this level of support, but no, yeah, we got right back right now. So that is not looking very good for the stock market. We need to be holding this level over here. Otherwise, I definitely do think that we are going to be headed even lower for the stock market in the next few weeks. But yeah, for Bitcoin, it is still looking very good. The Bitcoin funding rates are still trading very low, below the 0.01% mark. So yeah, that is still definitely very bullish for Bitcoin. At the same time, also that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side above this previous high over here. So yeah, if we are going to be grabbing that liquidity at that previous high over there, well, definitely we are going to be expecting a very bullish breakout back towards the upside outside of this descending wedge, or sorry, this descending channel. So anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well with this massive decision coming up anytime soon, well, definitely make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming a $500 trade over on Bybit. All you need to do is sign up a new account. If you already own an account on Bybit, you can just sign up a new one using a different form of identity, such as your driving license, and there you go, you can just deposit $100 and you can be claiming this $500 trade. So definitely make sure to be checking that one out if you're going to be interested in trading. Anyways, guys, the month of August has started off as a bearish month right now. I've been talking about this as well yesterday. We could just be starting off the month of August as a little bit of a bearish month with a little bit of a dip, just just to create that monthly candle wick towards the downside, then quickly reverse it back towards the upside, and then still close off August as a bullish month. Of course, usually August is a bearish month for Bitcoin, but if it is a bullish month, it is always an extremely bullish month. Like you can be seeing over here, in 2013, it was a plus 30% month. Right here in 2017, a plus 65% month. And also in 2021, it was a plus 13% month towards the upside. So yeah, usually August is a bearish month. But if it is a bullish month, it is always an extremely bullish month. Anyways, yesterday I've been talking and tweeting about this, that Michael Saylor currently has this amount of Bitcoin in his portfolio. And probably he is buying this dip once again. And actually just a few hours later, we got this news in that big whales like Michael Saylor are buying this dip. And Michael Saylor is right now trying to buy another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. So that is going to be huge at these high price levels. Whales like Michael Saylor are still buying. So have a look at what the smart money is doing. The smart money is currently buying during this consolidation, because do keep in mind, Bitcoin is just in a huge consolidation at this current level. Now, it has been in a huge consolidation at this point over here, at this point over here, at this point over here. Now, we have been breaking this one out towards the downside because we are still trading inside of a major downtrend. But right now, we are trading inside of this major uptrend. So it is going to be very likely that we are going to be breaking this one towards the upside as well. And also at the same time, we are getting this huge buy signal in from the Bitcoin hash ribbons. Of course, we have been seeing this minus capitulation, but that minus capitulation is right now over, and we have been getting this huge Bitcoin buy signal after the Bitcoin halving. And each and every single time we have gotten a Bitcoin hash ribbon buy signal after the Bitcoin halving, it has always been a very good moment to buy. As you can be seeing over here, all of the time right after this signal, Bitcoin has been going absolutely parabolic. So guys, do not ignore this signal we are getting right now. Anyways, guys, with that being said, do not get fooled during this Bitcoin dump rate that we are seeing right now. Yes, if we are going to be losing this level of support, it is going to be looking very dangerous and very bad. But right now, Bitcoin is not doing that. Right now, Bitcoin is still creating this huge consolidation, and I am going to be expecting this Bitcoin bounce. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.